Hello friends, welcome to Born Stars with Narumi once again, and today I am going to share with all of you something very miraculous. Trust me friends. First of all, let me know how are you all. I believe you all are doing great in your life, doing awesome in your life, and I believe you people are manifesting your dreams, your desires and wishes, right? Okay. So today what exactly I am going to share with all of you. Before that, I would love to say you something regarding today. Today I believe all of you know that today is Purnima, right? Today is full moon night. I'm going to share with all of you few tips which you have to do today, because till now we have time approximately 1.5 to 2 hours, and you all can utilize this time and utilize the power of this particular Purnima or full moon night. Before that, let me tell all of you something very interesting about today and why it is considered to be very much auspicious and miraculous. As it is said in Bhagavad Gita by Lord Krishna that I am the Margdarshan of this particular month, that is Margashirsha. This month is considered to be the month of Margashirsha, and Lord Krishna, as we all know, is the guide, is the God who shows us the path, right? So that's why it is always suggested to utilize this full moon night at its fullest. And as we all know friends, one thing, that is Lord Krishna is considered to be the God of power, of attraction, especially for love, right? The God is the God of charming personality, the God of power, the God of attraction, and as well as especially for those who are in a relationship, who are who are like married couples, or who are lovebirds. This Purnima, this full moon night is going to be very much miraculous for all of you. So right now I'm going to share with all of you few tips which you have to do, and after that just tell me the result, okay? So the point number one, or the tip number one which you have to do, that is, first of all, if someone is suffering from, for example, any major health related issues, minor, major, medium, whatever it is, if any one of you is suffering from health related issues, try to utilize this Purnima, okay? So what exactly you have to do, I'm showing you something right now. So you need to take particular, as you all can see, this a glass of water which I'm holding right now before the camera. What exactly you have to do, you have to take a glass of water, and it should be like not in any metal or any other like copper material. It should be a transparent glass of water, so that the moonlight can get transmitted directly into this particular water, okay, amount of water. So what exactly you have to do, you have to take a glass of water, you have to just fill it up, okay, till the verge, till the end, and you have to see in this particular amount of water, and you have to give the affirmation, right? What affirmation? For example, if it is related to your health, especially health, I'm telling you, if it is related to your health, you have to say that I'm attracting good health, I'm attracting good health, I'm attracting good health. So you have to say in this way at least 11 times, okay? 11 is one of the miraculous and magical angel numbers. So whatever you are doing, try to chant or try to affirm at least for 11 times. Or you can say, I am welcoming good health in my life, my health is getting recovered, my health is recovering from this disease, or I am attracting a healthy life, I'm absolutely fit and fine, my body is healing miraculously, I'm attracting good health. In this way you have to just affirm in regard to your health at least for 11 times in your own language, whether Hindi, Bengali, English, language is not a barrier. You have to affirm in this way at least for 11 times. And then what exactly you have to do, you have to just don't drink this water friends right now. first affirm with right intention, no negative thoughts, with high vibration. Then what exactly you have to do? You have to take for example, a white like this, okay, a white cotton cloth, a very thin white cotton cloth, and you have to just wrap this in this way, okay, just the mouth of the glass, so that there should not be any dust particles, anything, just so that the moonlight can be directly transmitted in this water. That's why we suggest always try to utilize white cotton cloth, and it should be a light one, not a thick one, okay. So try to wrap it with rubber band or any thread, and keep it like this under the open moonlight today. If it is in your in your balcony, or if it is under the open rooftop, in the open rooftop, that will be absolutely beneficial for all of you. So this is for your health. Another thing, friends, let me tell you what exactly you can do today. That is, for example, I don't know that whether you people have this magic box, okay, this is known as magic box. So you can see this is a magic box which I have already created. I believe in the universal law of attraction blindly. So if you have faith, you can manifest anything in your life, believe it or not, friends. So it's like, if you have not created any magic box, just take a plastic box like this and just write over here. As you can see, I have just just pasted a white paper, and it's already written over here, I am that I am in. I'm showing like this, I am that I am in, and in the second line it's thank you universe, okay. So always you have to show your gratitude by writing thank you universe, okay, and I am that I am in. It means that whatever is inside the box, that is me, okay. So you have to just create whatever you want to manifest, whether that is related to your work life, professional life, personal life, or love life, health related issues, whatever it is. If it is something related to you or your family members or your near and dear ones which you want to manifest, if you want to manifest marriage, if you want to manifest love relationship, if you want to heal your relationship with your parents, if you want to get good job, whatever it is, I'm just showing you something right now. Just create like this, sheet of paper, okay, like this. I have created so many. So like this, you have to create few sheet of papers, and you have to write whatever you want to write. If it is related to your skin, beauty, whatever it is, just write it like this, okay. I have so many, okay. So write this, okay, with proper right intention. Keep it inside the box, okay. But friends, you have to write this on the top of the box, okay. You have to write this on the top of the box, I am that I am in, thank you universe, okay. And after this, this is known as, trust me friends, this is known as magical box. It becomes magic when you put this under the open moonlight during the time of Purnima, okay. So today is full moon, and try to utilize the power of full moon night by affirming your water, which I have already shown you, and by creating this magic box. This magic box will hardly take 10 minutes. If you have any box at your home, just create it right now, and just keep it open like this, like it should be in this way, and keep it like this under the open moonlight, and take this the very next morning. Keep this in this particular way throughout the night, and see the magic, and just see the magic what happens, but with 100% faith, no 50-50, okay. Whether it will happen, whether it will not happen, no 50-50, no dicey attitude. If you believe in the power of the universe will work for you. If you don't believe, it will not work for you, friends, as I say in each and every video, okay. Another thing which you can do regarding this particular health, I'm telling you, because there are many people who are suffering with many diseases, from many diseases, whether it is related to heart, respiration, asthma, liver, kidney, whatever it is. But if you have faith in universe, you can heal your health. That is 100% sure, that I can assure you. bay leaves. Okay, you need to take few bay leaves, as I am showing you over here. This all are bay leaves. You have to take few bay leaves in this way, and you have to just dip it. Okay, just dip it inside the water. Just dip it inside the, like, you know, it should be fully dipped. Okay, as you can see over here, it should be fully dipped. Okay, dip inside the water, and you have to, again you have to affirm whatever you want to affirm. It should be fully dipped. There should not be anything remaining outside the water. It should be fully dipped inside the water. Okay, like this. Let me show you. Okay, it should be fully dipped in this way, and keep this again just by putting a simple, like, you know, cotton cloth. Just wrap it right in the mouth of this glass, and just keep it under the open, you know, moonlight. Under the open moonlight, just today, tonight, or throughout the night, just keep it like this, and drink this water tomorrow throughout the day. If you're suffering from any kind of health related diseases, just sip this water or drink this water like throughout the day. Okay, and if you want, like, you know, like, if I'm showing you, this is just an example. Okay, and if you want that I want just good amount of water, you can like, you know, keep a jug. Okay, you keep a jug and put this bay leaves just inside the jug with full amount of water, and keep that jug again with that cotton cloth wrapped in the mouth of that particular jug, and keep that under the open moonlight. Okay, utilize this the power of this Purnima. Utilize this full moon night today. You have approximately one and a half hours right now. You can do it very easily, very fast. But I will literally request all of you, especially for your health, for your like, you know, wealth, money, relationship, anything. This box is literally magical, friends, because I am the live example. I have got very good amount of results by creating this magic box. Today I will also keep this particular magic box right under the open moonlight. If you feel that yes, I have balcony and moonlight exposure will be there, like, you know, that moonlight will be there in my balcony, so you can keep this water, whether it is glass of water or jug or this particular magical box, like, you know, in your balcony. Or if you feel that no, there is no light exposure, moonlight exposure, so what exactly you can do, you can just create all this and just go to the rooftop and keep this open. There won't be any side effect, there won't be any harm to your health. Okay, so use this like, you know, this Margashirsha month and this particular full moon night as much as possible, and tomorrow morning just go to the rooftop, bring this and drink this water. Okay, throughout the day by sipping a little, and throughout the day. And if it is jug, it is absolutely fine for all of you. Okay, and let me tell you one more thing. For example, another point number 3, the tip number 3, let me tell you, as I have already shown you this bay leaves, right? So friends, let me tell you one thing, that this bay leaf will not be broken. Okay, it should be proper, it should be, let me show you, it should be full sized. Okay, it should be full sized, it should not be broken. And the tip number 3 is, you whatever you want to manifest, if you want to manifest you know, a good job, a good business opportunity, if something is, you know, pending in related or in regard to your business dealing, so what exactly you have to do, you have to just write it over here with red pen, or I will suggest you red pen or blue pen, whatever it is. So that, for example, that I am manifesting good job, or I am attracting good job, I am attracting love in my life, I am attracting good health in my life. Okay, so it can be 3 leaves, 4 leaves, or 5 or 7 leaves, as much as possible, but I will suggest you it should be within 7 bay leaves. So write that affirmation over here. In a single bay leaf, it should be one affirmation. Okay, write this and just keep this bay leaf. Okay, right in the middle of your palm in this way, in the middle of your palm like this. See this bay leaf and then just burn this bay leaf. Okay, it should be in the open air, not inside the room. Okay, let me tell you, it should be in the open air, in the open rooftop, not inside the room. And just take this, write it, see this properly, keep this just in the middle of your palm and just burn it. Okay, just burn it and just you should blow the ash. After burning, you should blow the ash in the open air. Your manifestation is done. Do this, friends. If it is already there is a particular proverb that if you believe, it will happen for you. If you believe in yourself, if you have faith in the power of the universe, it will happen for you. That is 100% guaranteed. But what is our problem? We believe 50%. We don't believe 100%, right? So in this way, you have to take full-sized bay leaves, 3, 4, whatever you want to manifest, 3 like wishes, 4 wishes. It should be within 7. So write it properly, okay? In a full-sized bay leaf, it should not be broken. As you can see, it is proper, okay? Write this, keep this in the middle, one by one. Take it, keep this in the middle of your palm in this way. See this for 1 to 2 seconds, okay? Then burn it and blow the ash or blow this bay leaves. After burning, blow the ashes right in the open air, okay? And it should not be done, I repeat, it should not be done inside the room. It should be done today, tonight, right now, in the open rooftop, okay? So friends, use this full moon night, use the power, the magical power, the miraculous power of this full moon night and get the blessing of Lord Krishna. And let me tell you one thing, if you want to attract love in your life, the most powerful mantra, this is an additional tip which I am giving you. If you want to attract love in your life, just chant this mantra tonight of Lord Krishna, that is Om Kleem Krishnaya Namaha. Om Kleem Krishnaya Namaha. Om Kleem Krishnaya Namaha. Try to chant this mantra tonight at least for 108 times by just counting like this, 108 times, okay? And see the miracle, see the blessing of Lord Krishna. And as we all know, Lord Krishna is the god of charm, is the god of attraction. We all know the miraculous power of Lord Krishna. So try to do all these tips today. You have to do all these tips and see from tomorrow whether your health, you see improvement in your health or not, okay? So do all this, and whenever, let me tell you one thing more that is very much important, that regarding this magic box, whenever in every month, that is whether Sharad Purnima or Kartik Purnima or this like Sharad Shirsha month, that is this month, so there will be Purnima, okay? So try to recharge this box under the open full moon, okay, when there will be Purnima. So try to charge this box under the open moonlight when there will be Purnima in each and every month, okay? Few Purnimas, those are auspicious, but obviously you people should know that Purnima has something magical in it. So use this day, use tonight, and I should not stretch this video right now, so that you people can do it as soon as possible, okay? So thank you all of you, take care, and love you all, love you my beautiful soul families. I hope you people are manifesting in a beautiful way, or you will manifest in a miraculous way, and you will grab the power of universe, that is the power of law of attraction. Thank you everyone, thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe, sending you angel love and blessings.